Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shami and I'm back with another video. Today's topic is all about odd numbers. But before we get right into the video, remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, comment, and if you have any topics that you guys want me to touch on, you can just suggest it in the comment section. So let's get right into it. So on your screen you can see I have a set of odd numbers from 1 to 100. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. In other words, when you divide an odd number by 2, there will always be a remainder of 1. I'm going to show you an example of that. So we're going to choose an odd number from the list we have there. So we're going to use a number, let's use number 23. 23. So we're going to divide 23 by 2, right? We're going to use long division so you can understand better. So 2 to 2 goes 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. We're going to minus or subtract, whichever one you call it. 2 from 2, you get 0. There's nothing left. So you're going to bring down the 3 right beside the 0. 2 into 3 goes 1 time. 1, 2, 2. We're going to subtract 2 from 3, leave 1. Now, 2 cannot go into 1, so there we have a remainder of 1. So in dividing an odd number by 2, you will always have a remainder of 1. Let's try another number. 99. Divide 99 by 2. 2 into 9 goes 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 8 from 9, leave 1. We bring down the 9. 2 into 19 goes 9 times. 9 twos, 18. And then we're going to subtract 8 from 9. 1 from 1 leaves 0. So we're going to always have a remainder of 1 when you divide the odd number by 2. The next thing about odd numbers, the sum of 2 odd numbers is always even. The sum of 2 odd numbers is always even. So we're going to choose 2 odd numbers. Let's choose 9 plus 17, right? So let's add them. 9 plus 17, 7 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There you go, you have 16. 6 and you carry the 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 9 plus 17 is equal to 26. So the sum of 2 odd numbers is always even. I'm gonna do another 2 odd numbers. We're gonna do 19, 27. So let's add them. 7 plus 9, 16, 6 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So there you have it. It's always going to be even. 46 is an even number. So the sum of two odd numbers will always give an even result. So the next thing about odd numbers is that the product of two or more odd numbers is always odd. The product of two or more odd numbers is always odd. So when we talk about product, we are referring to multiplication. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. We're going to multiply two odd numbers. Let's use 5 times 19, right? So let's multiply those two numbers. 5 times 9, 45. And 5 ones, 5. Plus the 4, 9. So 5 times 19, you will have 95. So that's an odd number. So the product of two or more odd numbers will always be odd. Let me do another one, but this time we are going to multiply three numbers. So we're going to use 3 times 5 times 9, right? So we say 3 times 5, 15. Then we multiply 15 by 9. 9, 5, 45. Carry 4. 9, 1, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 135. So you see exactly what I'm talking about? The product of two or more odd numbers will always be odd. Moving right along. What else is there to learn about odd numbers? Oh, yes. The sum of an even set of odd numbers is even. The sum of an even set of odd numbers is even. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to say 3, 7, 15, and 17. So there we have an even set, because 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, that's an even set of odd numbers. So the sum of an even set of odd numbers will always be even. So we're going to add them to see the result. 3 plus 7 plus 15 plus 17. 3, 7, 15, 17. We draw a line, put our addition sign. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 7, that's 19, plus 3, 22. So we put on a 2 and we carry a 2. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 2, 4. So the answer we got is 42. So you see exactly what I said. The sum of an even set of odd numbers will always be even. Gonna do another even set, but this time this set will be of different odd numbers. So you have, let's use 5, 9, 13, and 29. Now let's add them. 5, 9, 13, 29. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 9, that's 21. Plus 5, 26. So you put down your 6 and you carry the 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So your answer is 56. So the sum of an even set of odd numbers is always even. The final thing we're going to learn about odd numbers today is that the sum of an odd set of odd numbers is always odd. The sum of an odd set of odd numbers is always odd. Let me show you an example of that. So let's use, I'm going to use some big numbers. Let's use 21, 31, and 47. So the sum of an odd set of odd numbers is always even. So we have 3 numbers, and 3 is an odd number. So we know definitely that this is an odd set of odd numbers. So let's add them. 21 plus 31 plus 47. So 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1, 9. And 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So 99 is our answer. And 99 is an odd number. So the sum of an odd set of odd numbers is always odd. Let me do another example. So we're going to use 3, 9, 13, 19, and 23. So we're going to add these numbers and see the result. So 3 plus 9 plus 13 plus 19 plus 23. So 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. Plus 3, 27. So we're going to add our 7 and we're going to carry the 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 is 6. So you see our answer there? 67. So the sum of an odd set of odd numbers will always be odd. So guys, thanks for watching, and remember, comment down below and tell me what you think of the video. If you have any topics you want me to touch on, you can always suggest it in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share, comment, tell a friend about the channel so that friend can pass on the message to another friend and help me reach 1K.